Hey guys, welcome back. So if you see in front of you here, we got the Audiopipe. This one is a little bit different than maybe you're accustomed to or accustomed to seeing. This is on their budget line. Now, Audiopipe makes a lot of different subs like Scar Audio, Rockford Fosgate, GL Audio. They have a big line of subs. This is one of their lower end subs. I believe this one still has a double magnet, but we're going to get into it. We're going to look at it. We're going to see what they put into it, see what the price difference is between this and say one of their higher end, their $200 to $100 subs, the BCD4 series. Like the BCD series, they make the BCD 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they make 4 just for that one series. So let's get into it. Oh, guys, welcome back, Subs and Paws. I forgot to say that. I didn't say Subs and Paws. So I've actually been looking at this. This is another one I've been looking at for quite some time. Just never dropped the ball and actually bought it. So this is fitting right into our budget line we're going to be getting into. So they give you the... now I've seen this in other Audiopipe subs. They give you a cutout for the speaker, so you can cut it out on the box. So I really like that. That's cool. Here's their booklet. Audiopipe, product registration. I was kind of hoping I'd get a sticker, but I guess not. Alright. So I'm going to bring this down here, and I'm going to bring the sub back up here. Alright. Now right off the bat, fairly light. First thing I noticed was dual magnets on the bottom there. Let's see if I can see it on the camera. Yep. Bring it a little bit closer. That was the first thing I saw, was the dual magnets. Now, again, we're going to bump into this same issue, I think. This is dual voice coil. And now to save money, they didn't put push terminals. They put clips. And wait a second here, hold on, timeout. So this is actually not even a dual voice coil. This is a single voice coil. I did not know that either. There's only one terminal here. That's it. There's no other terminal there. See? So this is just a single subwoofer. I think. See, 68 ounce magnet, 300 watts RMS. Oh, it's gonna take that all day. 2-inch 4-layer Kapton voice coil, steel frame, PPP cone with rubber surround. So it's got a nice rubber surround. Mounting depth, impedance. Okay, so it is 4 ohms. So it's single 4 ohm subwoofer. I did not know that upon buying it. I figured it was dual voice coil. It's a single voice coil. So let's take a peek inside here. Let me get my phone so we can look inside. Alright, let's see here. I don't know if you can see the leads there, but they're single. They're a little bit larger than normal leads, but they're single leads. And it's just the one set of leads going in. Now it looks like they're halfway. Let me see if I can get the camera and see this here so you guys can see it. I've never actually seen anything like this. This is another new thing. So the leads go halfway out in the spider, and then they're sewn into the spider. I don't know if you can actually see that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they go halfway, maybe maybe like 5/8. They're sewn in, and the other part they're just kind of hanging, draped over the spider. So guys, we're gonna get some well, let's take another look around the sub here. So the dust cap, That's this is actually with what they had on the older BCD4s. They had this little raised dust cap here. Now it's just all one cone dust cap combination type thing. And the rubber surround here, nice rubber surround. Looks like it's going to put in some work. And for a single 4 ohm, guys, this thing's going to pound, I think. For now it says 1,000 watts max on the sticker there. We do have a pole vent on the bottom, and it's a 2-inch voice coil this has. And let's see, get this back up here. Alright, so what else we got here? The steel basket, and there's your venting, and that's your pole vent on the bottom, and I think it said a 64-ounce magnet. I don't know what it said on the weight of the whole sub. I don't think it said the weight of the whole sub. And this is the PP2. Let me see. Let me get the exact name here. Alright, it's a TS-PP2-12. PP cone. So that's what it is. PP cone. Alright guys, so we'll be right back. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I'm going to get the clips on here. I'm going to get it wired up and get it in the box. Put it on some power, and we're going to see what this thing takes. We'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Alright guys, so welcome back. So I got the Audiopipe P2 inside the box. We're already going. Let's see if I can get some more. Right, get that going again. I don't know what we're doing. Live power. Okay, very low on power. Now this is a single 4 ohm. We still have plenty of power for this, so we shouldn't have any worries at all. Alright, give it a little bit more. Now we're on live power. And for the low power that it's putting out right now, it really sounds good. So let's give it a little bit more. Let's get her moving. All right. Give it some more. Now this is a single 4 ohm voice coil. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Little interruption there. Get back into it. I don't even know where we are now. Let's see. So it's sitting around 5 ohms. Alright, let's see. We're gonna get some more power here. It sounds great, I gotta give it that. Sounds fantastic. Let's see where we're at for power. So that's about half RMS right now. Let's see if we can get RMS. That's about close enough to RMS. I'm good with that. And the sub still sounds great. I don't smell anything at all. Alright, let's try one more song here. I'm gonna back this up. We'll try a different song. Remember now, guys, this is a single 4 ohm subwoofer. It's sitting around 5 ohms. Ooh, 5 ohms on the dyno here. Let's see. Get you back. Real-time power. Alright. Now this is ready. There we go. Alright, let's see what we get here. 130. Let's give it one more. Let's see where we're at now. Oh, we got some RMS coming in. 300 watts RMS this is now, guys. And it looks nuts. Alright, let's try it one more click. I might have to back it down, I don't know. Let's see where we're at. Oh, I saw 700 there, 500, 700, 300, 400. Definitely getting our RMS now. All right. Definitely got our RMS now. Whew. Still not smelling anything. It's still going good. All right, let's go dyno mode. Oops. Dyno. Woo! Hopped right up there, huh? 788, it went up quick. Nice, 6.6 ohms, 788. So if that didn't impress, I don't know what to impress. I can't wait to get this in the car and try it out, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be back. Don't go anywhere.